Hello and welcome to Teacher Risa's channel. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will be notified of the new video. Thank you. Today we're going to study context clues. Context clues are words or details in the sentence that serve as hints to the meaning of difficult or unfamiliar word. For example, Mother asked Junjun to face the wall for being fresh in front of the visitors. What is the difficult word in the sentence? Yes, fresh is a difficult word because this word is not used literally. Look for the clue that will lead you to the meaning of the encircled word. Face the wall is our clue. If somebody asks someone to face the wall, meaning that person did something wrong. Therefore, fresh in this sentence means rude. Now let us study the different types of context clues. The first type of context clue is synonym clue. In this type of clue, the author uses a word that means the same as the unfamiliar word. Example, the scorching weather brings fiery feeling to humanity. The difficult word here is scorching. Look for the word in the sentence that means the same as the encircled word. Correct. Fiery means the same as scorching. Thus, scorching and fiery are synonyms. There are some signal words that will help us identify synonym clue. They are or, that is, and in other words. Aside from signal words, there are also punctuation marks that are used in this type of context clue such as comma, semicolon, and parenthesis. Let us have another example for synonym clue. The Statue of Liberty is one of the prodigious or gigantic statues in the world. The unfamiliar word is prodigious. The signal word used is or, and we all know that or is a signal word for synonym clue. So what is the synonym of the encircled word? Yes, gigantic is the synonym of prodigious. Another type of context clue is the antonym clue. In this type of clue, the author uses another word or phrase that means the opposite of an unfamiliar word. Some signal words that we use in antonym clues are but, however, although, otherwise, unless, instead of, on the contrary, on the other hand, while, and unlike. For example, Marga loves eating sweets but abhors vegetables. The difficult word is abhors and the signal word is but. What word in the sentence is the opposite of abhors? Yes, loves is the antonym of abhors. Therefore, the encircled word means hates. Definition clue. In this type of clue, the author provides a direct or explicit definition of an unknown word in the sentence. Some signal words that are used in definition clue are is, are, means, refers to, is known as or are known as, is called or are called, and is defined as. Example. Soliloquy is an act of speaking one's thoughts aloud when by oneself or regardless of any hearers, especially by a character in a play. In this sentence, soliloquy is a difficult word. Is our signal word, and the rest of the sentence is the definition or the meaning of the encircled word. Example clue is another type of context clue. Here, an example or examples is or are used to identify the meaning of the word. Some signal words for example clue are such as, like, including, For example, for instance, and to illustrate. Let us have this example. In the past month, we have had almost every type of precipitation including rain, snow, sleet, and hail. The difficult word is precipitation. Including is the signal word for example clue. The examples given are rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Based on the examples, we can say that precipitation is any product of the condensation of atmospheric water vapor. Inference clue. The meaning of an unfamiliar word can be inferred from the description of a situation. The author does not provide signal words because the clues are often spread over the sentence or number of sentences. Example: she was so famished that people felt sorry for her and gave her food. The difficult word is famished. The clue that will lead you to the meaning of the encircled word is the phrase, people felt sorry for her and gave her food. Thus, in this sentence, famished means extremely hungry. The last type of context clue is the cause and effect clue. Here, the meaning of the unknown word depends on the cause and effect relationship with the other words in the text. The signal words used in the cause and effect clue are as a result, accordingly, since, for this reason, hence, if then, and because. Example: since no one came to the first meeting, attendance to the second one is mandatory to all staff. Our signal word is since. Difficult word is mandatory. This is also a result of the first event, which is no one came to the first meeting. Thus, in this sentence, mandatory means required or compulsory. Congratulations! I hope you learned something today. To test your understanding, you're going to identify the type of context clues used in the succeeding slides. For each sentence, you will be given 10 seconds to write your answer. Thank you for watching.